Francis Beidler Forest is a boardwalk-accessible, old-growth cypress-tupelo swamp located about 1 hour from Charleston and Columbia, 30 minutes from Somerville, and is an excellent educational destination for an off-campus learning experience. Your naturalist guide will meet your bus at the Nature Center. When you arrive, you should already be in groups of 25, with a chaperone for every 10 students. 4 groups, or 100 students, is the maximum for a quality experience. The cost is $4 per child and chaperone. Teachers are free, with a total due in a lump sum upon arrival. An additional $2 per student and chaperone will be charged for any of the separate South Carolina standard-based activities that you may select. These can be found on our website, along with images, videos, and other information relating to Beidler Forest. A picnic area under the trees is available for lunch. Please do bring trash bags in order to carry your garbage out with you when you depart. While eating lunch, there is a good chance to see wildlife like this Luna moth. Schedule some time to visit our swamp shop, which has a wide range of items for sale. There are also drinks and some snacks available for purchase. Tax is already included in the pricing to make shopping easier for our younger students. Dress for the weather, as we will be outside most of the time. Comfortable, closed-toed shoes are required for the nearly 2-mile walk. Due to the flowing water, bug spray is seldom needed. It will take 2 hours for you and your naturalist guide to complete the boardwalk tour and another 30 minutes for lunch. The 4-hole swamp watershed, shown here in purple, lies within South Carolina's coastal plain. A watershed is land where water flows, moving toward a single outlet. All the water in 4-hole swamp drains into the Edisto River. The name 4-hole swamp dates back to the Revolutionary War, but the meaning behind it has been lost to history. The main habitat at Francis Beidler Forest is a black-water cypress-tupelo swamp. A swamp is a forest that is flooded for at least part of the year. If you see a large, straight, tall tree with peeling bark, it is likely a bald cypress. Cypress roots have projections that rise up out of the ground called knees. There are several ideas or hypotheses as to why cypress trees produce knees. Believe it or not, nobody knows for sure what the knees do. If you see a smaller, skinnier tree that is crooked growing with blocky bark, it is likely a tupelo gum. Tupelo gums do not produce knees like a bald cypress, but they do have a wide base or buttress. Depending on the time of year of your visit, the swamp may be nearly bare with few leaves, or all the trees may be full of leaves and green with flowering plants scattered along the boardwalk. You will also see wildlife. Animals are present and active at different times of the year and different times of the day, so you will need to use your senses and be as quiet and observant as possible. Look up, look down, look all around. There are no cages in the swamp, so come ready to carefully look for animals that may be right off the boardwalk, like the snake hiding in this picture. Can you find it? Even if you do not actually see wildlife, you can still see signs or clues of their presence. The trees here have never been logged. Many of these trees are at least 1,000 years old. Old-growth forests have trees that are old and big, young and small, hollow on the inside, and even dead and decomposing. Compared to a young forest where the trees are around the same age and size, an old-growth forest has more variety, which is good for both plants and animals. The swamp is always changing, so you will get a fresh experience every time. It is shaped or changed by rainfall, changed by drought, changed by lightning, and by animals, including beavers, insects, hogs, woodpeckers, and crayfish. Francis Beidler Forest is a very special place. It is the largest remaining old-growth cypress-tupelo swamp in the world and is internationally recognized as a wetland of importance. Come ready to learn all about Francis Beidler Forest, to look for and find wildlife, and to see a place like nowhere else in the world. We look forward to seeing you at the swamp.